Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video from Natcom Store. We're thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into the ultimate guide to choosing a laptop adapter for your device. Yep, that's right. We're going to make this journey of finding the perfect power companion for your laptop a playful and informative one. So let's jump right in. Now, before we delve into the technical nitty-gritty, let's consider a few key factors that will help you narrow down your options and find the adapter that's just right for you. First up, we have compatibility. It's crucial to ensure that the adapter you choose is a perfect fit for your specific laptop model. You see, laptop manufacturers often have proprietary charging connectors, so finding an adapter that matches your device's specifications is essential. Next, we have voltage and amperage. This is all about powering your device effectively. Make sure the adapter you select provides the correct voltage and amperage your laptop needs. Using an adapter with the wrong specifications can potentially damage your laptop or result in inefficient charging. Wattage, a crucial factor in determining the power output of your laptop adapter. It tells you how much power the adapter can deliver to your device. Matching the wattage of the adapter to your laptop's requirements is important. Going for lower wattage may result in slow charging, while higher wattage might not be compatible or could even be harmful to your laptop. Now, let's consider on-the-go charging. If you're frequently on the move, portability becomes a significant consideration. Look for adapters that are compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. And hey, some even come with detachable cables, making them super convenient for your travels. Durability matters. Investing in a high-quality laptop adapter is essential for long-term reliability. Look for adapters made of durable materials that can withstand everyday use and the occasional bumps and drops. A well-built adapter not only lasts longer, but also provides better protection for your laptop. When it comes to electronics, we all know that brand reputation matters. Opting for reputable and trusted brands ensures you're getting a reliable and safe product. Established brands often offer better customer support and warranties, giving you that extra peace of mind. And last but not least, let's talk about striking the right balance between affordability and quality. While price shouldn't be the sole determining factor, consider your budget and research different options to find the best value for your money. Remember, compromising on quality may cost you more in the long run. And there you have it, folks. Our ultimate guide to choosing a laptop adapter for your device. We hope you've enjoyed this playful yet informative journey with us. Now, before we wrap things up, don't forget to check out Natcom Store for a wide range of laptop adapters and great training product. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay charged.